Hello, beautiful people. Windows Fundamentals 3 Windows Security. Per Microsoft, Windows Security is your home to manage the tools that protect your device and your data. In case you missed it, Windows Security is also available in Settings. As you can see, we are inside Settings and Update and Security, and then Windows Security. Here you see the page. Here you will also see when a virus is inside your PC or when you need to scan your PC, stuff like that. In the above image, focus your attention on protection areas, which are for virus and threat protection, firewall and network protection, apps and browser control, and device security. Yes. Each following task will briefly touch on these areas. Before proceeding, let's provide a quick comment on the status icons. Green, which we can see here by a check, means your device is sufficiently protected and there aren't any recommended actions. Yellow, we don't have it, which I presume will be under an exclamation sign or symbol, means there is a safety recommendation for you to review. Red is a warning that something needs your immediate attention. Click on Open Windows Security. Note, since the attached virtual machine is a Windows Server 2019 edition, it looks different from a Windows 10 Home or Professional edition. The below image is from a Windows 10 device. Windows Security is your home to view and manage the security and health of your device. You can see here all the icons that we have above. These four, plus some more. Next, we'll look at virus and threat protection. Before that, answer the questions below. In the above image, which area needs immediate attention? So when you are in here, the status icon section, we found out that red is a warning that something needs your immediate attention, meaning that virus and threat protection is the answer to our question. Let's see, let's check it out. Virus and threat protection. Amazing.